So hi everyone, today I'm going to review the NaNaMi Bluetooth headphone. This is wireless headphone, and right here they write this is waterproof by the IPX7 standards. And let me open to see the headphone. So it's here. It have two languages. One is in English and one I believe is in Japanese. But the headphone is made in China. But it doesn't matter. If the quality is good, then we are good. And here we have the USB cable for charging. So this is mini USB. Yeah, oh no, a micro USB. And here we have this manual. This is English manual, and here we have spare part for replacement. And here is the headphone. Here we have the another card, so for guarantee and also for the discount, if we buy another product we can get 5% off, so that is pretty cool. And here's the headphone. Right here we have a pair of headphones, and yeah, the material is really good, and when we touch it I believe I have the feeling of using the Plantronic headphone. And here, so from two end is magnet. So basically if we wrap around the neck, two earbuds gonna stick together, so it's gonna prevent from maybe we lose this. It's gonna secure around your neck, and it's not easy to lose the pair. And here we have the control button. Here we have the volume button. This is volume up and down. You see the plus and minus side. And here we have the power button, and here we have the charging port. So this is very simple and very compact. This is very flexible. I believe it's made from the rubber and metal. So to turn on the Bluetooth, we need to press that button until we see the lights blinking. And let me connect it with my computer. So we turn on the Bluetooth. Okay, here's the icon. So we add the Bluetooth device. So when we search for the new device, it's gonna show clearly the name of the device, NaNaMi. So we just click on that, and it takes a really short time to connect. And let me open the song. So I have the music here. Let me open one song to feel how does it sound. So it's really loud. So to test the waterproof ability. I already have a cup of water here. Now I'm gonna dump it into that cup to see if it still work or not. Okay. It still work. Let's do it one more time. Still work too. Just remove the water and then it still work. That's cool.